We replaced the MDB on this one. This is that serial number. And now we're turning it back on. This is the one that had the E20.
Yeah, it's the MDB. I did that song and dance.
Interesting.
Now it'll gather the information.
Interesting. I did not know that. I did not know that. See, in my head, the SIB. I should probably beat this.
No, the E20 is MDB a lot of the time.
Yeah, hold on. I'll talk after the video.
Oh, I didn't know you were recording.
Yeah, no. I was gonna pontificate about how I thought the treadmill worked.
Well, it could be both. You can have a two-problem child. SIB and MDB plus wiring.
In my head, I thought the SIB was the brains of the operation. The motor drive board is just a dumb. It's just
interface board.
Yeah, exactly.
But the key was those lights on the MDB. They were flickering. They weren't kosher.
We do the incline.
So continue to work.
Yeah, we got it.
It's definitely inclining. See the motor going? This guy is inclining.
You can put in there, Daddy always gets his treadmill.
Stop,
Oh, we are recording.
Done, right?
Yeah, let's just verify the software. Yeah.
Take a picture.
He wants to do it.
I don't think I got it on this one. I can't
You
recall.
want me
To be
to
honest.
peel this off, Aaron?
No, I would.
Leave it on.
Fine. Boom.
And look at how it's moving.
All good.